A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a dramatic turn of events, lawyers representing President-elect Donald J. Trump have taken significant legal steps to prevent the public release of a report by Special Counsel Jack Smith, which details the investigation into Trump's handling of classified documents after leaving office in 2021. With just 2 weeks until Trump is set to be sworn in for a second term, his legal team is racing against the clock to halt what they deem a politically motivated attack. On Monday night, Trump's defense attorneys sent a strongly worded letter to Attorney General Merrick B. Garland, expressing their concerns after having reviewed a draft of Smith's report. They characterized the report as an example of a politically charged effort to undermine Trump's presidency. The lawyers demanded that Garland prevent the report from being made public and called for Smith's removal from his position as special counsel. The release of any confidential report prepared by this out-of-control private citizen unconstitutionally posing as a prosecutor would be nothing more than a lawless political stunt designed to politically harm President Trump, the letter stated. In a separate legal maneuver, the attorneys for Trump's co-defendants in the classified documents case, Walt Nauta and Carlos de Oliveira, filed court papers requesting an emergency order from Judge Aileen Cannon to block the report's release until all legal proceedings related to the case are concluded. Cannon had previously dismissed the case against Trump, which adds another layer of complexity to the ongoing legal battle. Despite the urgency of these requests, experts suggest that Trump's legal team may face significant hurdles. The lawyers have no authority to compel Garland to withhold the report, and Judge Cannon's ability to influence the Attorney General's actions regarding a special counsel's report remains questionable. This situation puts the legal team in a precarious position as they attempt to navigate the complexities of the law while defending their client's reputation. Trump's lawyers have been active in the final days leading up to his inauguration, working to mitigate the fallout from his criminal cases. They have sought to delay Trump's sentencing in a separate New York case and have now turned their attention to blocking the release of Smith's report. As the special counsel's investigations wind down, with Smith moving to dismiss the election interference case against Trump, the focus has shifted to the impending report. The report is expected to summarize Smith's findings and could potentially include new damaging evidence against Trump should it be released. Trump's legal team has argued that the report would be a lawless political stunt that undermines the presumption of innocence and disrupts the transition process. In their filings, the lawyers for Nauta and de Oliveira have claimed that the release of Smith's report would unfairly present evidence to the public, potentially tainting the jury pool for any future legal proceedings. They argue that the report would serve as a one-sided narrative that assumes guilt, despite the case against Trump having been dismissed. The defense team has requested an emergency hearing to discuss the release of the report, asserting that there is a strong likelihood it will be made public imminently. They contend that the report's release would violate fundamental principles of justice and fairness, labeling it as a government verdict against the defendants that contravenes standard criminal justice norms. As tensions rise and the clock ticks down to Trump's inauguration, the legal battles surrounding his presidency continue to unfold. The outcome of these attempts to block the report remains uncertain, but they highlight the contentious political landscape that Trump and his legal team are navigating. With both sides preparing for what could be a significant legal showdown, the implications of the report's release could reverberate through Trump's second term as president. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.